Alright guys, so if you've ever been to the dealer and had them tell you that you needed your cabin filter replaced, and they told you it was going to cost $50 to $80, this is something you can do yourself. It's not that hard. This is what it looks like. It's about $8 on Amazon. Very easy to do. Glove compartment down. Pull this clip out. Pull these out. So now my glove compartment is exposed. And right up in here is where the filter is. Reach up in here. There's two little tabs that you have to wrestle with to get it to come out. And I always forget where they are. There they are. That's the cabin filter. This one's dirty. Take it out, discard it. Take the new one, put it back in, like so. Make sure it fits down in there like it needs to. Slide it back in, clip, glove box back up, put the hook in, put all my stuff back in the glove box, including my emergency straws. Finished. What did that take? 30 seconds? So this job only will cost you $8, so don't let the dealers fool you into spending any more than that. Hope this helps. Have a good day.